Princess. She's a big shooter for me. You must know that lady. Princess.
Yeah, I think I know his name.
Okay. Now, Princess give me a screenshot. Send a message, a text. I'm gonna show you because I never screenshot it, but I'm gonna show you later on.
Alright.
And she told me that Anna blocked her, right?
Yeah.
No, she get on real bad because she said why the reason why Anna would have blocked her, right?
Yeah.
No, when we hear that, no, we end up go back to unblock her. But she said, a bad baby as a bad baby unblocked her, right? No, make if you understand as a bad baby, I say, oh, Anna, she unblock her. But the lady said, them said is as a bad baby unblock her, right?
So,
anyway.
Yeah.
When me hear about that, me I said, no, you know, God knows something not right because why when time me have a big shooter, why me shooter them I get black? You know, a long time me I complain about this.
But
Something is not right and it was very much weird.
How did she know that as a bad baby unblock her? Like, how did she know that it was her?
Oh, my daughter, sorry. My daughter tell me say it's as a bad baby unblock her.
Unblocked her? Well,
yeah.
Alright, so let me explain something to you, right? With the mod system, you can only see who blocked her. You cannot see who unblocked her. You can see who blocked her.
You not listen to me now.
No, I listen to you.
I said my daughter tell me say as a bad baby unblocked her.
But as a bad baby, so she didn't do it.
Right? Well, somebody unblocked the lady.
Well, it was up for the past 2 days. I don't know if you noticed, I haven't been around a lot because I've been busy with life right now with my daughter. But I've been like barging in and barging out. Like I come in and I would see. And plus, I haven't seen you live. I think it's yesterday. I wasn't seeing you live. So I will be in and out. But with the blocking thing, I told you already that certain things like that before you tell anybody unblock, you smart. If the lady come to you, Annie, you could go into the blacklist yourself or put Zara to do it, and you could see who blocked the lady.
Doc, you see me now? Me busy.
Time for another.
No, me go talk this blunt too, no.
Yeah.
Me is a busy person. More while me even get time to answer my message them. I'm going to tell you this straight, because me realize that when a moderator, I want to go in a group talk, I want to go sit down and talk. You see, thing is this, I rather than not have no moderator, more than have moderator block my blessing. You understand me? It is very suspicious of moderator, I block my shooters them. And when me ready to talk, I'm ready to make up a bag of story about it, and me don't like it.
Did you? No, I'm not making. I came up here and listened to you. I'm just speaking back to you and telling you something. But I got a question for you. Did you speak to Anna about this as well? Because remember, if she did it, so did you speak to her about it? Because remember, in the group we know that we're not supposed to block somebody without screenshot. We're supposed to look at the badge, and we're supposed to block certain people. We know this. So for jumping out and block somebody just like that without. I ain't see any screenshot in the group about that lady being blocked.
Look, I tell you the truth. Somebody plays some type of hypocrite game and I'm done. I'm over it. I can't tell you say cards. Cards is a good mad. Cards with me no know something about cards where me just can't work with cards. Me know Thompson me mean. Right? There's certain moderator where me can't work with. But you see, if me go through this, a better person does say make them come support Annie. And me don't keep no moderator and me go about my business. You can't have people who fight against you and they on your own system.
Exactly.
Anna, listen to me. You see, Anna, you see what happened? Anna never did have to run coming on a group come complain to you. You get me?
No, I saw. Listen to that voice note last night, right? But the whole thing I told you, I was busy, right? I was on a call when I listened in, and if you check the group, you're gonna see my response. I'm like, why did you say that, or why are you not a mod or something like that? I asked her and then she was saying that I'll go and check the blacklist, screenshot everything. But I listened to it, but as I told you already, since I came on your live, I didn't go into anything because
hold on. Who tell you that? Who tell you that?
You were in the group, Annie. You didn't hear the voice notes. You gotta go into the voice notes. In the group have voice notes and all those stuff. So like that's what I'm telling you. So like while you might be thinking that I was wrong for yesterday and the day before, I wasn't wrong much. Because you know when I'm wrong, Annie, is either I shooting or you see me in your comment section pinning comments. You just know when I'm in your life.
You know, I think if me open my mouth and talk when me really and truly
no. So it was
you better me not talk because you know me realize every time things will turn back around for me. So better me just go relax myself.
Calm
I'm
down,
gonna talk
calm
when
down
me know what
yourself.
happened to me. I can't have my stream where somebody sneakingly mess me up.
Like
That's
blocking
crazy.
a gift up, and this thing with blocking you gift is just something that we addressed a lot of times. So seeing it happening again and knowing that the group is so small with the mods is something wrong. I guess most
But
people can
Anna
guess.
called me and Anna talked this morning, and Anna said, okay, then I think me do it. Maybe mistake, like she said, maybe it was a mistake. Right? Me and Anna talked
Yeah.
good this morning, right? And she said, okay, Annie, maybe me end up even do it by mistake because maybe me even didn't realize what I'm doing,
Mm-hmm.
right? And the thing is this, me hate all moderators always go in a group, go have meeting behind people back. That's something what me
But
don't like. Because it happened to Anna. So at
mhm.
least Anna miss out. You understand me?
All right.
Right?
So
Eh,
I understand where you're coming from, Annie. I totally understand you. You can hear me, or your internet is gone. Sure, baby, sure. That coming just now. Yeah, Annie. So I totally understand where you're coming from, right? But remember, you're in the group as well. I'm not telling you that it's right for what they're doing or anything, but you're allowed to monitor that. As I said already, since from the start of everything, this is your platform. Everybody that's on your system helping you to moderate. You're in control of everything. And at any point and any time, as you said already, you don't want any mods. I can't tell you to put me mod. I don't have that saying. I respect your decision or whatever it is. The only thing I can tell you is that at this point here, is you gotta watch who you let close to you. That's the most I can advise you, Annie. But beside that, I can't really. Earlier when I was asking about my mod is because you were saying fix the box or something like that. And when I was trying to see, I'm not a mod, so I was like, Annie, where's my mod? Because remember, you know that I be fixing your box and these kind of stuff for you. So I jump.
You know when I think, Duke, as I said, if I saw this thing I go work, it's okay. I may really appreciate you guys, but
It's
me
Annie,
can't definitely
honestly,
when things are go wrong. The only
honestly,
thing
Annie,
everybody
Annie,
try to just look at me
whether
and
I'm
said,
mod or
okay,
not,
me could have done it. You notice you come out here somewhere you come and say, me could have done this and me could have done that. Because I don't have no argument in the group already.
no, Annie, but you can go check the group and see if I was a part of the discussions. That's what I'm telling you. You might be thinking that when messages come in that group, you might be thinking I'm there all the time in those discussions. Most of the discussions, I'm not there. When I'm actually there, and you can see, I be sending you the voice notes. I be this, but I don't always be there. Like last night discussion, I was not there presently, saying much. And like I heard a voice note, I was listening, but I didn't know what was going on. I didn't even know that somebody sent you a screenshot or none of that, Annie. If I knew of that, I would have been. But I was busy, as I told
Hey,
you.
thank you.
I
Yeah.
was busy, so I didn't know. And I'm telling you, whether I'm mod or not, I'm still gonna come and shoot for you and support you. So it doesn't really matter to me. I mean, me being
Remember
mod,
saying a Duke, you is moderator upon my kids them page.
yeah, I.
So
That's
that's
the thing.
okay if you not did it, right?
Yeah, that's the thing.
All right, me soon talk to you. Yeah, me soon get you back inbox. So
Uh,
if you don't depend my life, you're gonna end up depend my kids them life, my
I'm
son life.
moderator. I'm
You're a
moderator on
moderator for
everybody
part of the
page.
family.
Yeah, I'm
But for
moderator on
me,
everybody page.
yeah, for me right now, I just know that somebody in our midst that try fuck me over.
Yeah,
And right
so
now, I read a roll alone. Me
there's not a
keep
problem.
cards. I don't know. There's a problem. I just keep cards for my mother. May have Thompson. I don't sure me take off Thompson, but Thompson okay if me put her on yes or no. She don't have no problem. Maya, am I? Maya okay too. You get me? Because them just come for really support me. Me I
Yeah.
tell you, say there's somebody in the midst that fuck me up. And when time me I talk, nobody no want listen to me. Me talk about Anna, everybody a pre me because me
Is
a talk
it?
about Anna. There's
Is it?
something when me see with Anna, but nobody no want to speak about it. Them a act like say me I want look a pussy hole. I mean I like that. Me not like it. There's many times me see some things that I could have said. But people don't like to be truthful. They like to play hypocrite. I mean I like it.
All right, Annie. So once again, as I told you already, I told you already. You told me already that you're gonna call me. You can call me when you get off. All right.
Yeah.
You can call me when you get off. We can have a conversation. You were supposed to call me since the other day. We can have a conversation.
Yeah.
Just try to hold your cool. You remember you're up here, and at the same time, I'm just try to hold it a little cool. Do what you're doing. But I'm
Okay.
around. I'm around for some time, and as I told you already, it's not no problem that I'm not a mod. I have no problem. I'm going to come support you regardless. I told you this before. Before I was a mod, I was supporting you. So I have no problem
Yeah.
supporting you when I'm not a mod. It's not an issue for me. Because I know if I'm blocked or mute, I can just call your phone and say, Annie, I was mute or blocked. That's about it.
Duke, why you listen to me, you know? I don't know how you're reaching at me like this, you know. I may never tell you see black nobody, you know.
I still want to know because and that's why I tell you like I was not even a part of that discussion last night. It's like I'm in that group. I know that me and Cards basically took in charge of your moderator system, but we set rules and guidelines. So with somebody being blocked without I seeing a screenshot, I just feel as though they should be removed from the mod system completely because we told them that if you do this here to any gifters and we're going to remove you, you're not going to be a mod. So at this point, if you're saying that and I'm not seeing any screenshots and then the discussion and now you're saying this, so like I just feel as though steps can be made.
The thing is this, Duke, as my daughter tell me said, as a bad baby and block her. Me have to call my daughter because I don't want to say make up nothing and my daughter looked at it last night. But now me I hear them say no, and as a bad baby. Say no, me I go do? Me I go put things together. I'm gonna send you the message where the lady sent to me.
What I want you to do for me, right? I want you to ask Zoe how she know that it's a bad baby and blocked her. That's what I want you to ask Zoe.
Because hold on. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere.
Ask Zoe that.
Don't go. Come on, send her the message.
All right, cool.
Zoe, come here. You need to call me because I have something to tell you.
No problem. As soon as you come out the live,
you can't call me to and cut the live and make me tell you quick.
All right, well, I'm gonna call you. Let me speak to Zoe. Hey, Zoe.
Talk to Duke. Duke, talk to Zoe.
Duke.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
Good afternoon, Duke. What's up, man?
All right. So your mom told me that you said that you saw as a bad baby unblocked one of her gifters that was blocked by Anna.
Oh, you know, say as a bad baby.
So I want to know how you.
I never say it was as a bad baby. Me can see me as a bad baby block them every morning. So she unblock the people who get blocked every morning. That you tell her it was her job. Me can see who block the people when we go for the
name. So did you see who blocked the gifter? Did you see the name under it? Who blocked the gifter? Who was it? Anna blocked the gifter. Well, Annie, at this point here, more than likely Anna did the blocking. And Anna was supposed to send a screenshot because you're not supposed to block anybody without sending a screenshot. So she basically violated your system here. Because we got guidelines. You know this, Annie. We have guidelines in place before blocking people. Before muting people, we have guidelines. We have certain things that we're following to ensure that your system is clean. And we're even following those steps to have people unblocked every week or whatever it is. We're doing all those stuff. So at this point here, Anna made she did whatever, and you said that she spoke to you, but at the end this comes to your decision whether you're going to make her back a mother or not. Yeah, that's where I'm coming from. Yeah, what's up?
You see, wait, mommy, what do you see? Me can't see who black the people them.
Well, you can't see one black.
But you see, morning it was as a bad baby and black everybody. But when we go upon the system, you see who black the gifter, it was Anna. It was not mommy.
No, I know it's not your mom. I know it's not her.
But she not understand say she thinks say and black man explain say Anna black the gifters are as a bad baby.
As a bad baby, block everybody in the morning. That's what she's saying because as a bad baby says she cleared the blacklist probably. So baby, look. Yeah, so Annie, at this point here, I'm gonna tell you straight. This comes to your decision once again. Remember, we're just here supporting you. You get to make these decisions. I'm gonna call you now. I'm gonna get off of here now. I'm gonna give you a call now to hear what is it you gotta tell me.
Yeah, ring me.
I'm gonna call you now.
No.
All right, Annie. Cool. Yeah.